So let's create a RDS MariaDB using the Terraform. So let's have start. So before that, let's have a look on the source code. So this is my GitHub repository that I will share in the same videos. You can see the here we have created the instance, and this instance file. You can see the instance.tf. So it creates an instance, and you can see here we are passing the security group, that SSH HTTP allow, and this is the availability zone, key name, and I'm installing the HTTP server. Okay, then we are also creating the instance. This is MariaDB instance. Here we are creating the resource of the DB parameter group as we discussed in previous. This is the MariaDB parameter group, and here you can see the created the DB instance group also. So with these two resources we require in the creation of the instance. So this is our main instance where we are creating the instance of MariaDB. So this is AWS DB underscore instance. Here I have passed the all information parameter, that's allocated storage, storage type, engine version, instance class, name, username, password, all these things. And at last we are printing the endpoints. Okay, so let's move to the console and let's run the Terraform script. So I'm running the Terraform apply just to save the time. So my Terraform apply gets started, and it will create the all resource which we have defined in our script. So let's wait for a while till the all resource gets created and script get completed. So our resource got created. Let's have a look on the console side so we can see our resources created. So I'm on the RDS. So let me refresh this screen. Okay, so we got one created new Terraform DB, which is the MariaDB engine. You can see here, and this is the configuration for our MariaDB instance. When you click over here, it will open the details of your instance. So this is your instance, all details. You can see this is the endpoint, this is port, availability zone, VPC, security group, subnet group, and the subnets. So this is all the configuration part of the MariaDB instance you can see here. And apart from this, we also created the EC2 instance. Let's go to the EC2 instance. So one EC2 instance we have created, which we will take the SSH access. Okay, so now I'm taking this SSH of this EC2 instance and we'll connect the database. So I'm taking the SSH EC2 user. Okay, so we got the SSH for the instance, and once we got the instance access, we have to install the uh, MySQL so we can connect MySQL client. So I'm installing the MySQL. Okay, so I have already installed, and you just have to install the MySQL. Okay, now we have MySQL, and let's connect our DB using this MySQL. So client. So I'm taking the MySQL example. So I'm just giving passing the -h. So in -h you have to pass the host name. So host name we can take from our output. So this is our host name, which is endpoint. And username is the root, and password. Password, I'm by default giving the prompt. Okay, so when you enter, it will ask the password. You have to give the password. So I got connected. So my instance is running in the database services, that RDS service, and this is my virtual instance, EC2 instance. So I connected the DB instance. Let's have a quick look the available database. So these databases are created by default in MariaDB instance. Okay, so what we did overall in this session, so we have created the parameter group, we have created the subnet group, we have created the instance, that's a EC2 instance, and we have also created the MariaDB instance. And once all resources get created, we have taken the SSH of the EC2 instance, and from EC2 instance we have connected the MariaDB instance.